Hello, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so now let's head into our video for today. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and also join my Telegram channel. I have a Telegram channel, okay, that I update my subscribers and my students. So I'll drop the link to the Telegram channel in the description section below, so you can subscribe for it. Okay, so now let's head into today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to understand the market trend. Now, there's a lot of misconception and mistakes going on that people are doing that I'm not happy about. Oftentimes, I see people come to me, new traders. I'll ask them, okay, how long have you been trading synthetic indices? You see some saying a week, 3 weeks, a month. Okay, so what is the issue you are facing? They'll say that they are not able to get the market very well, that they need to get an indicator. Now, there's this belief that indicator is like the almighty solution that will help you do all the work. Indicators are not robots. They don't trade on your behalf. Now you have to trade. They give indication quite alright, but you need your own ideology to analyze too. If you are a novice at trading, an indicator will not help you. Okay, it will give its own indication based on the computational figures given to it while programming it, but it will not help you to trade. So you need to understand some basic things before you can start using indicator to trade. Now, one of the basic things I'm going to teach you today is understanding the market trend. Okay, so once you know this, I'll be taking you some series of teaching or training. So you have to know this knowledge before you can even take any indicator at all that you want to use it, because the indicator is not the almighty solution. It won't help you to trade. So whenever people ask me how effective or efficient is my indicator, I'll tell them 75 or 80%. Now the remaining 20% is your own human intervention. If you are good at it, that 20% will make a lot of difference. But if you are not good at it and thinking that the indicator will do everything for you, it is very, very wrong. You will lose money that way. Okay, so I decided to put up this program because some have been complaining they are not good with the market, even after getting an indicator that they are not getting positive results. So I need to put this out. I need to straighten this so that you guys will have this basic knowledge of the market. Okay, so now let's head into our MetaTrader 5. So right here, I will not be using any indicator. I'll just be using normal analysis. So I want to show you guys how to understand the market trend. Okay, awesome. So looking at our chart here, how do we know the trend? So if you are considering it from here, from this candle here to this candle here, let me take this point up. That is a trend for us. That is a trend. This shows that the market has been on an uptrend. This is 1 minute time frame and this is boom 500. Okay, so from this point to this point, that shows an uptrend, but in between them you can see series of spike, it goes down, it spikes. So if you are trading for example, if you are trading the spikes now, so you can see from here to here, you see this lengthy one, and from here to here before it starts spiking and spiking and spiking. Okay, so I'm not teaching about spiking, I'm just teaching about the trend. So this is 1 minute time frame showing an uptrend right here. Okay, awesome. Now let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see the line we drew. So 5 minutes time frame as well, it has been on uptrend for some time. Okay, like from this point to this point, it has been on uptrend. Now the first candle now that started with now is a downtrend. Now this second one is starting a downtrend, but in general it shows that it's an uptrend. That is the area we considered in 5 minutes. So if you are considering it from this area as well, this is an uptrend. Even if you are considering it from this area, this is a bit higher than here, So this is an uptrend. Okay, so now we'll go to 15 minutes and check. Okay, you can see 15 minutes, this is the area we considered, but in 15 minutes generally this shows a mighty uptrend. You can see from here to here, this is a serious uptrend. Okay, now let's go to 30 minutes. So at 30 minutes also, this is the area we considered in 5 minutes. In 30 minutes, this is the area we considered. You can see this is an uptrend. The market is an uptrend. If you are considering it from this point, this is all uptrend. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. So in 1 hour time frame, each of these candles, they are 1 hour each. Okay, this shows an uptrend as well. Okay, now let's get to in 4 hours. So this is the area we considered in 30 minutes. You can see in 4 hours also the market is on uptrend. If you are considering it from this area to here, this is a serious uptrend. Although you never have a trend whereby each candle successfully will be uptrend for long, it happens, but not every time. You know, this is it has to move back and forth. So but on the general trend, this is uptrend. Now let's go to day 1. What do you see in day 1? In this day 1, it simply means the market is each candle here stands for 24 hours. Now before I get to this trend here, let's quickly analyze this. Look at this from here to here. This is a very serious downtrend. Now if you are to count, for example, if you are to count, let's say you enter the market for that you want to catch spike from this level, then it came down to here, and ever since then it's been going down. Do you know how many days this is? Let me see if I can get anything out of it. From here to here, it says 40 bars, but not everything is a downtrend. So we have some up and down. So let me try and count the downtrend here. So the downtrend are the white, right? So we have this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's say this is equivalent to this level: 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And these are daily candles. That's about 22 days. It has not gotten to that level. So now imagine if you are caught in this kind of huge downtrend, how would you survive? This will take away your capital. This is why it is very, very important to know the market trend. Now, okay, so let's leave that aside. Now, okay, awesome. Now it has taken away everything. So let's start the analysis from day 1. Now, if you want to trade right now and you want to know, now it is easy checking the time frame in 1 day, in 4 hours, in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes, and even 1 minute. It is easy checking the time frames or the trend in all those time frames. But how do we know what we will trade? How do we know the magnitude, that the general movement of the market, to know how our trade will be like for the day? So let's for example, let's say we want to trade right now and we've opened our MetaTrader 5. Okay, good morning, let's see if we can trade today and let's see what the market is saying. So we came in straight. So from here to oh no, sorry about that, I meant to pick this. From here to here, it's a downtrend. Okay, now from here up, let me take this. From here up, this is an uptrend, and these are daily candles. So for the past how many days it has been up? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has been going up. Although in the smaller time frame you see some ups and downs, but the magnitude of the market in the daily candle is up. So this shows that this is more of an uptrend. So you can see the candle that is forming. This candle that is forming right here is showing that it's going up, although it has a little retrace. That is at the wick there. So it's about to start new candle, but it's still going up. Okay, so that is one day that it is going up. So what does it imply for us? So this means in the 1 day time frame, this candle is about to start going up. So now it's on uptrend in the daily time chart. Now let's go to 4 hours and see what 4 hours is saying. You can see 4 hours is on uptrend. Let's go to 1 hour. You can see 1 hour as well is on uptrend. 30 minutes. 30 minutes as well, you can see it on uptrend. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It has been on uptrend for some time. Okay. 5 minutes. 5 minutes also, you can see it's on uptrend. If you start from here to here, this is an uptrend, but it's still coming down a bit. It will come down a bit and go up, but the general trend is uptrend. 1 minute. Now with this 1 minute, 1 minute is very large, so you can't view everything together, but so far all the big time frame told us that is an uptrend, meaning we'll be having more of the uptrend in boom today. There will be more of uptrend. Now if you are trading and you are scalping and you are using an indicator that's telling you to buy in the 1 minute time frame, that this is a buy signal, then you bought into the market, so you are waiting for an exit signal, not knowing that the magnitude of the market is on uptrend today. So spike is expected at any time. If you have got caught in spike, you'll be like, the indicator is not effective. But you should as well know that the market is on uptrend. So far your indicator is designed to sell the boom. It will also give you signal when it sees one, but it is left for you to know, okay, the market is on uptrend. It is dangerous to trade it. You do rather go for the spikes if you are very skilled at it. So at this point in time, you can as well be very cautious of your trade. Like you enter for like 2 minutes, you leave the market. You enter for like 2 minutes, you leave the market. Then it is no longer advisable to trade in the smaller time frame, like 1 minute. At least you can trade in 5 minutes or 15 minutes, because the trend is saying an uptrend. So if you are going to 15 minutes and 15 minutes telling you a downtrend, so you can enter a trade for like 4 minutes or 3 minutes and then you move on, like waiting till that, okay, you have an indication, so you have to wait till it gets to one level before you go out that it must obey it. No, the general trend of the market is against your own trade, so no support and resistance level will be 100% respected. Okay, so you must know that one. It's very possible. So you can see this is a series of uptrend. So you can see this invisible candle that happens as a spike, but it starts from here. You can see it happens here also, it spike and start from here. So the magnitude that is taking it up is very higher than the one pushing it down. So there will just be series of uptrend, series of spikes happening like that. So if you are selling and you get caught in this, trust me, it can take you days, and if you don't have good capital, you will not last at all in the market. If you don't have good capital and you don't leverage on your lot size, you will not last at all. So this is how you know the market trend. You start from the day one chart, you check it, what is the movement of it, what trend is it taking. You check the 4 hours, you check the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and 5 minutes and 1 minute. It is very important. Okay, so that being said, I need to recap a bit so that I will call it a show, so you guys will know how to take it on from there. Now it is very wrong to enter the market, start analyzing in 1 minute after trading. Check other bigger time frame, know the magnitude of the market before you start trading. Okay, so and it is very wrong also to over trade. That you see this in the you see this indication here that it spike here, you bought 5 minutes, it spike, you bought, it spike, you bought. It is not as easy as that. Next time you will not get a warning. For here it spike, you can see close, it spiked here. Oh come on, it spiked there 1 minute it spike again. Okay, so you must be very very careful. It came to that level here, around this level. If you are waiting for profit, it spiked again, it has never gotten to this level. Yeah, you can see. So you must be very very careful. So even if you are using an indicator, you must know this basic knowledge about the market. So I'm taking my time out, maybe two or 3 days. I'll be explaining the basic knowledge about trading, about synthetic indices, so that you have it and have the prior knowledge of it, so that before we can go ahead and think of trading with our real money, before we can go ahead and think of trading with an indicator. So thank you guys for watching. If there's at any particular point in time that you don't understand any of my explanation or analysis here, kindly drop a question in the description or a question in the comment box below, so that I will address it in the next video before I start. So thank you guys, and bye for now.